Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If your videos are getting views but your thumbnails are not getting clicks, this video is for you. Low CTR is one of the biggest growth killers on YouTube, and most creators doesn't realize their thumbnail is the real problem. But the good news, you don't need Photoshop, design skills, or paid tools to fix it. In this video, I'll show you how to create high-click, viral-style YouTube thumbnails using AI completely for free using CapCut's AI Design tool. By the end, you will know how to recreate thumbnails similar to top creators and dramatically improve your click through rate without touching complex design software. Let's dive in. Let's get one thing clear first. Viral thumbnails aren't about fancy tools, they're about prompting correctly and understanding why people click. The AI does the heavy lifting, but only if you guide it the right way. Now, to get started, go to CapCut.com. The AI design feature we will use works best on desktop and not on mobile. Once installed, open CapCut and log in using your email or social account. Now, inside the app, you'll see an option called AI Design on the left side. Just click on it. This is CapCut's new AI system that can generate posters, social media graphics, and thumbnails. And for this tutorial, select Create YouTube Thumbnail. You'll notice CapCut already includes a reference thumbnail and a sample prompt. Now, this is important. AI works best when you give it context. Think of the reference image as your style guide. For example, if the default prompt is for Singapore travel vlog and you want to create one for Malaysia, simply replace Singapore with Malaysia. Then add visual elements like Petronas Twin Tower, Batu Caves, or traditional attire. So keep it descriptive but simple. Once you hit generate, CapCut analyzes your prompt, expands it internally into a detailed design structure, and creates a clean, high contrast thumbnail optimized for attention. In seconds, your thumbnail is ready. This alone saves hours of manual design work, but it gets better. If you want the thumbnail to include your own photo, just upload your image, adjust the prompt. For example, replace the person in the thumbnail with my uploaded image, keeping the same pose and expression. You can also specify clothing, mood, or background style. The same applies to text. If you want to change the headline, just tell the AI exactly what to replace. So if you write text in all caps, the thumbnail will reflect that. Mixed case stays mixed. This gives you full control without manual editing. You can even change facial expressions. If you want the person to look shocked, sad, or curious, just say so in the prompt. And CapCut regenerates the thumbnail with the updated emotion, perfect for storytelling and curiosity based content. Now let's talk about recreating thumbnails inspired by top creators. So first, go to YouTube and find a thumbnail style you want to model or recreate. Copy the video link, then use any download YouTube thumbnail website to save the image in HD. Now let's go back to CapCut's AI design tool. Upload that thumbnail as your reference, then write a prompt like create a documentary style thumbnail similar to the attached reference. Use the title Dark Secrets and include an image of Elon Musk. CapCut will generate a close match, and if you want it even tighter, use a longer structured prompt that specify layout, lighting, contrast, font weight, and emotional tone. Swap in your image at the end to personalize it. This same workflow works for any niche like tech tutorials, finance, fashion, horror stories, educational content, or faceless channels. The key is always the same. You have reference, plus clear prompt, and plus strong text. Now let's cover the CTR formula behind all viral thumbnails. Now, big creators follow a principle often called bends. So, B is for big claim, the thumbnail promises something bold or surprising. E is for easy, it looks achievable. N is for new, so it feels fresh or uncommon. And S is for safe, it doesn't feel scammy or risky. When your thumbnail and title work together using this formula, clicks skyrocket. This is why some videos explode while others don't, even with similar content. So when you design your next thumbnail, don't just think visually, think psychologically and ask yourself, would you click this? Now at this point, you now know how to generate viral style thumbnails using CapCut's free AI design tool, how to recreate high performing styles, and how to apply a proven CTR framework that top creators use. So start testing this today. Small thumbnail changes can double or triple your clicks, And that's how channels actually grow. Now, if you found this video useful, just comment down below for prompt templates you can reuse anytime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Pixie from Technique Force. Let AI take over your photo editing. Bye-bye hard work and Photoshop. Create illustrations, photos, ads, logos, and more with the world's best AIs. Hundreds of ready-made workflows. Forget prompts. Just click and generate. 10 plus AI models, exclusive and secret AIs included. Generate high-quality images with just a click. Create and edit photographs, illustrations, posters, signs, logos, ads, thumbnails, and anything else you can imagine with exclusive high-quality AI models. Unleash the creative imagination of AI at your command. Create beautiful logos, banners, signs, and other advertising graphics easily. Huge ready-made prompt and workflows library. Download in the size you want. Remove backgrounds from any image. Upscale images and restore photographs. 150 plus ready workloads. Click and create easy. No need to be a prompt magician. Pixie is your magic. Perfect AI calibration and control. Upload any image and rework it. Use every top image AI. Use them all. Searchable repository of your images. Get access to hidden and open source AIs. Get uncensored AI generators. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Pixie now. Just go to getpixie.in.